So here we are. We have the left side of the car, the lateral change. We have all aligned with, for example, come and follow me with the rear bonnet, as we were now talking about that. This is, well, it's not welded yet, so now it's just with some screws to know where we are, but at least we know that we have all the line going in straight, so we don't have, you know, this curve or one higher, one lower, so we know that we are in the correct procedure. In the front one, the same, so we have everything aligned, that we obviously we need to work a little bit, but it's now on place. And let me show you that. It's out. So we have the front of the Duetto already out. We're getting ready to fit the new in, which I will show you now. So from that, you can throw it away and let's fit the new one. So here you have, this is the front new one that we will adjust, set up in the front. So now slightly, you know, little by little, we're gonna adjust it inside. So yeah, to continue and see the process, let's continue working on that.
Doblada aquí, sí. Tiene campo, está programado para el marcha y su doblamiento. No, hay dos, no, aquí sí. ¿No le parece coche?
No.
Ah, no, no. No viene con la bala esta.
Hey, if you have arrived here, please give us a like and subscribe. Bye.
No me lo aguanté, sino que sí, pero ahí está. Este lado, ¿no? Negro, eso planchas de negro y así de fácil. Así de fácil. Ya está. Pégalo un poco bien.
So, really happy as always because we are doing what we really like and what we really enjoy. Removing the last part as we were squaring, let's say, the front, because this is a quite difficult part as you have a fender, you have a front top, rear bottom top, the hood. So to adjust and align all these lines, it's quite difficult, let's say. So we are using these bolts, well, actually just to adjust and see where we are. Now, as we have all straight, you have seen that I have removed the right fender. So what we're gonna do is continuing removing all the welding spots that this original fender was welded in. And yeah, so removing all this will be out as we have the brand new one in there. And yeah, last part. So let's continue and let's fit that on the car.